Welcome guys back, and today I would like to show you how to knit this absolutely easy stitch where we are going to use only knit and purl stitches. So it is a nice stitch for beginners and can be used for scarves, for pillowcases, hats, for cardigans, baby cardigans. It's perfect. So the number of stitches has to be divisible by 4 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches. Here I am using a DK yarn and 4mm knitting needles. So the first row I slip the first stitch, then knit 1, purl 3. And repeat till the end. Knit 1, purl 3. As you can see, I make a purl stitch through the back loop. It's just a normal purl stitch, so no worries. It is always depends on how you grab the yarn in the previous round. So just make a purl stitch as you usually do. Knit 1, purl 3. And the last stitch, it's knit 1, that extra stitch, and selvage stitch, purl. Always purl the last stitch. Turn. The second row, purl all stitches across. Here again, I'm going to purl some stitches through the back loop and some stitches through the front loop. This is just a normal purl stitch. Purl till the end. Purl and purl the last stitch. Row number 3 will be the same as the row number 1. So slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1, purl 3. And repeat till the end. Knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1 and purl the last selvage. Row number 4 will be the same as row number 2. Slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches till the end. Purl, purl. And purl the last stitch. Okay. Row number 5. Slip the first stitch, then purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and repeat this 4 stitches. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and repeat. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. Till the end. At the end, purl 2 and purl the last stitch. Row number 6, purl all stitches till the end. Purl, purl. Row number 7, same as row number 5. Slip the first stitch, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and repeat. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, till the end. At the end, purl 2 and purl the last selvage stitch. And the last row, row number 8, same as row number 6, purl all stitches till the end. Purl and the last stitch. That's it. After that, repeat from the first row, from here, when you knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3. And after that, you repeat rows starting from purl 2, knit 1, purl 1. That's it. And look what you get at the end. Such a great, easy, and warm stitch. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this short video tutorial. Please like this video, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!